Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Toyota Tarago GLI, stock reference number 5087. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2006 through to the 6th month 2012. It has a 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door has multiple dents and a fold on the front edge. Left rear door also has multiple dents. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left hand tailgate, or tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate has 4 small dents. Aftermarket Trailboss towbar with all bolts and brackets. Right tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 5 small dents, right front door has 5 small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Heater controls, automatic gear shift, CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and a 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.